Wild Bill here with the Savin fireworks tonight. I did a better intro, but I messed that up, so you'll see JoJo in the next segment. Correct myself is all I can do. Trial and error, as I keep telling you. Bear with me. One of these days we'll create the perfect video. I promise. West Haven Beach Pier. JoJo. She's calling one. Yes, Joe. Yeah, I'm right here, Joe. It's perfectly safe. The water's way over there. I'm trying to show the people the crowd. It's a large crowd tonight. It's pretty good. You want what? For your entertainment. Where's Joe?
Right here. Aaron shitless.
Why, I said not to go up there, Joe.
Ideal parking, so now we know where to park next. We're in New London. I don't think we're staying for the fireworks.
What do you mean?
If this is his reaction.
We're going to be on the boat. He wants to go on the boat and watch.
No, he'd be
do not jump overboard. Next time for fireworks, guys, remind Wild Bill, do not forget tripod, please.
Yeah, he wants to set off the ones in our house.
They don't make the noise, but you know.
No. He's hiding his face in my arm.
I'm sorry.
Turn around and look.
You're not watching? What are you afraid of, Joe? The light? Joe, they're beautiful. What are you talking about?
Jojo, come up here with Mama.
Oh, you're scared of? It's beautiful. Nothing like the smell of gunpowder in the morning. No, no. I'm a sailor, strictly gunpowder.
Y'all know what? I'm going to do that curve right there. I'm going to jump the curve for real.
I figured this is an ideal spot. I can see him.
I ain't mad at you.
He goes, I'm sleeping. Yeah, he's I'm sleeping. You're sleeping.
Joe, you're sleeping. You're supposed to be watching fireworks, buddy. Why are you scared? You love fireworks.
He took a nap too early.
That's not it. He's...
You were asleep at like 11 o'clock this morning, sitting on my lap. And you fell asleep just to take a nap at like 11 something this morning.
we can't really see the ground show, but we'll get over it.
Right side, left side of the truck.
I'm not doing as good as I did in Milford. Sorry, guys.
If we move a little to that way, we can go with them.
I did not do the fact that I'm not sitting. I know, but it's that I'm not sitting down, so my hands are getting all shaky right now. Trust me, I take pride in this work. And I'm only going to get better and better. That's not a good thing. That means there's an emergency of some kind.
An ambulance just went down.
Yeah, somebody got hurt.
Yeah, it's straight ahead of you. With the flashing lights.
I was here one night when my father was a boy and this kid got run over by a car. He had to sit with the child till the ambulance got there.
So are we going to head out immediately or are we going to hang out for the second night out? That's good.
Happy 4th of July, everyone.
Go down your knees.
I thought you liked the boom boom.
But the whole time, I want to see boom booms. I told you he doesn't like them.
Last year he loved them. This year he doesn't like them.
Next year he'll probably go back to play. He likes to keep us on.
I hope you like the Disney ones when we go there, Joe. We're going to watch a lot of them.
Well, that could be older.
And we're going to be closer to it.
That one's pretty. Yeah. Wish it went further up.
I can't wait to see Epcot, so I haven't seen them yet.
Another car alarm.
I've seen the Magic Kingdom.
I said if you moved over to the left, you'd see the ones on the ground.
Yeah, that tree kind of got us, right?
Yeah, well, if you stand a little to the left over here, you can see the ones on the ground.
But now you know you want to park over there next year, okay?
Or further that way.
We're parking where we originally parked, and we want to see the
I think you saw all of them, really, except the ground one.
No, she meant the first place we parked.
You still would. I was going to walk over it, but you could have watched them there.
Sorry,
Because this was the, extent of buying a pickup truck, so I didn't have to walk.
I don't think that's why he bought a pickup truck, but that's all right.
Hey, you can see all the smoke.
That was the reason for me bringing the pickup.
I mean, I still think me and Tommy's goal is still a boat, a camper.
That one's not so pretty.
Tina, this is my
And the station's goal is to show the world the world.
That's the one you were looking for.
That's what we want to do.
No, this is my own one.
Yeah.
You can see the world through me and JoJo's eyes. Right now his eyes are closed. I think he's actually asleep.
I think he actually fell asleep.
Little guy was tired.
Jojo.
He's asleep. Oh, he's moving now.
Hey. Yeah, my mom got it to him. He has to take us on Friday. We know. I thought it was just 10 days.
A little bit left in one bottle, like before you see one they cut.
How many minutes do you think the show's going to be? We're coming up on the 10-minute mark. Yeah, Joe. They're way over there. You can't, they can't reach you. You want to look at them through my eyes, Joe? Joe, you want to look at them through my eyes?
I'm too comfy to move right now.
You can watch it through the camera's eyes. I see what Adam the Wool meant. It's not as good watching it through the camera's eyes.
I want to do New York.
But, you know.
Right over the harbor.
So next 4th of July, you think I should do New York?
Boston.
Not enough to Boston.
I will do Boston, okay. The show has to go on the road, so we'll take it to Boston.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's some things we can video besides that. We'll take vacation in Boston next year is what we'll do.
Probably New Haven. Or East Haven.
Do you want to go to New Haven?
Danielle's on her boyfriend's tomorrow. She's taking JoJo. I figure we could start ours off maybe Thursday when they come back. Or Friday when Jill's home. Yeah, I see your thing. Up there. They have to wait until the fireworks finish. Yeah, because they can't go for fireworks. They're just slowly moving forward. They just slowed their speed.
I think that's a drone.
Oh yeah, that's too
That's
slow.
a drone.
That's too slow.
The red thing is a drone.
Yeah.
They're recording the fireworks from the air, but look.
Yeah, you should get one of those. We're assuming that's a drone.
That is somebody's drone. Somebody on the boat has a drone up. So somebody besides me is doing a show. So I'm not alone.
Seriously, JoJo? I can't believe you made me come all the way down here so you could see Boom Boom, so you could watch me.
He's asleep, right? I thought you were just talking to him. Are you talking to him?
While he's asleep. Well, he's not moving. Every time there's a real loud one, jump. Yeah, but every time it happens, he jumps. That's my favorite. And this is the longest show I've ever seen from West Haven.
Yeah, well, he's done it because of doing one.
They do that every year.
That's what I'm saying, West Haven.
What I meant, it's still the longest show I've seen. There was like
The drone's gotten closer to us and a little higher. It's moving now. You can see the drone. Now you can see where it's going. Guy's calling it back in because his battery's probably getting low. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. That's all, folks. That's a wrap. That's called a goof. Wow, Bill. That's a wrap. That's it for this adventure. Catch you next adventure. Like always, treat everyone with kindness. Please like and subscribe.